Hello student, welcome to our geography class. I hope you seen my last video geography of third lesson, and I hope you complete my three assignment of geography. Here let us start our fourth lesson is climate. Now let us start our fourth lesson is climate. The name of our fourth lesson is climate. Study figure 4.1 and 4.2. Here student, the map of Brazil 4.1. Study figure 4.1 and 4.2 and answer the following question. Here some question. Give the answer of with the help of map. Considering the isotherm of Brazil, which is the average range of temperature in Brazil. Our first question is, considering the isotherm of Brazil, what is the average range of temperature in Brazil? Here students, see our map. 10 degrees Celsius. Considering the isotherm of Brazil, 10 degrees Celsius the average range of temperature in Brazil. Then our next question is, in which area does the rain more? Here index we see student rainfall, annual average rainfall in Mimi. Here shading our shading light, dark, blue color shading 500, 1000, 1500, 2000 in this way. So student, our next question is, in which area does the rain more? In which area does the rain more? Central part of Brazil does the rain more. That is Amazon Valley. In the Amazon Valley, the rainfall is more. Then our next question is, from which direction air winds flowing towards Brazil? In which direction? See a direction, northeast and southeast. In this way you complete the some question with the help of map. What could be the reason behind that? What could be the obstruction in the way of these winds? Which type of rainfall will occur because of this wind? Orographic rainfall. Correlate these winds and rainfall. In which part Brazil? The average temperature low, southernmost part. Identify the rain shadow area in Brazil. Describe climatic characteristic. In which region do you find the higher temperature? Considering the latitudinal extent of Brazil, where will you find temperature climate in Brazil? Describe the winds blowing between 0 degree to 5 degree north and south zone. Which method has been used to show the distribution in this map? Which map? Isoplate, chloropage. In this way you complete this question with the help of map for figure 4.1. Here student, figure 4.2 cross section of Brazil physiography. With the help of two figure 4.1 and 4.2 complete your answer of these questions. Then our next part is India. Figure 4.3, write the answer. With the help of figure 4.3 map on the India. This is the figure 4.3 India annual average rainfall and temperature. You observe the map and write the question. Answer of the question in your notebook. Which region gets more than 4000 mm of rainfall? Identify the region with maximum and minimum temperature. In which direction is the temperature increasing? See here student, with the help of 4.3 write the answer of this question. Identify the direction of wind shown, what they known as. Which winds are responsible for the rainfall in India? Southwest monsoon winds are responsible for the rainfall in India. Some parts of Rajasthan in under desert, what could be the reason for it? Draw the main parallel latitude passing through India which affects its climate. Refer figure 2.1. In which part Peninsula India are semi-arid climate condition found and why? Observe the figure 4.3 and write the answer of this question. Then figure 4.1, 4.4 annual average temperature and rainfall graph. Here in figure you see student, annual average temperature and rainfall. Red line maximum temperature and blue line minimum temperature. Here Manaus city, Belém, Porto Alegre and Rio de Janeiro. Study this graph, annual average temperature and rainfall graph. Can you tell? Study the graph given 4.4 and answer the following question. With the help of this graph, figure 4.4, write the answer of following question. In which month is highest temperature found in all four cities? These are 4 cities: Manaus, Belém, Porto Alegre, Rio de Janeiro is the cities, name of cities. In which month is highest temperature found in all 4 cities? Write the answer with the help of this graph. When does Brazil have its rainy season? When does Brazil have rainy season? See here, December to March. Which city has maximum range of temperature? How much it is? In which city maximum range of temperature? See on graph 4.4, Manaus city. What type of climate will found in Rio de Janeiro? Here student, Rio de Janeiro, the 4th number city. What type of climate? Warm, humid and equable climate in the Rio de Janeiro city. You complete this answer with the help of this graph. Then our next point is Brazil. Because geographical explanation of Brazil. Because of the vast latitudinal extent of Brazil, it experiences wide ranges of climatic variations in climate. For example, near equator it is hot, while temperature type of climate is found near Tropic of Capricorn. Brazil gets rainfall from southeast trade winds and northeast trade winds. Parts of the Brazilian highlands extend up to northern coast. The escarpments act as an obstruction to winds coming from the sea, cause of orographic type of rainfall in the coastal region. Beyond the highlands, the effect of these winds gets reduced. As a result, the rainfall is minimal. The region is also rain shadow region. This region is called drought quadrilateral. Considering temperature is Brazil, northern part of Brazil is hot, while temperature. Here student, geographical explanation of Brazil. Because of vast latitudinal extent of Brazil. Because of vast latitudinal extent of Brazil, it experiences with range of climatic variation in climate. Climatic variation. Different types of climates. For example, near equator it is hot, while temperature type of climate is found near Tropic of Capricorn. Brazil gets rainfall. Brazil gets rainfall from the southeast trade winds and northeast trade winds. Here students, because of vast latitudinal extent of Brazil, it experiences wide range of climatic variations in climate. For example, near equator it is hot, while temperature type of climate is found near Tropic of Capricorn. Brazil gets rainfall from southeast trade winds and northeast trade winds. Brazil gets rainfall from the southeast trade wind and northeast trade wind. Parts of Brazilian highlands extend up to the northern coast. The escarpments act as an obstruction to the winds coming from the sea and cause orographic type of rainfall in the coastal region. Beyond the highlands, the effect of these winds gets reduces. Beyond the highlands, the effect of these winds gets reduces. As a result, the rainfall of minimal. Effect of these winds gets reduces means decreases. As a result, the rainfall minimal. This region is a rain shadow region. This region is called drought quadrilateral. Here student, give it try. Considering the various factors affecting Brazil's climate, complete the adjoint table. You see here table. Give it to try. Considering the various factors affecting Brazil's climate, complete the adjoint table. Regions and climatic characteristics. Amazon Valley, Highlands, Pantanal, northern coastal region, southern coast region, southernmost region of Brazil. In the coastal region near the equator in Brazil, differences in temperatures are negligible. The winds move in the vertical direction in this region. Similarly, the convergence zone of the trade winds is weak here. As a result, cyclones are not formed. That is why tropical cyclones rarely visit the coast of Brazil. Most of the part of country lies in the tropical zone. Most of the country means Brazil lies in the tropical zone. The equator passes through the northern part of country. The temperature is more in this region. Average temperature in the Amazon Valley 25 degree to 28 degrees Celsius. The climate is cooler in the highlands. Because of proximity of the sea, host experience mild and humidity climate. The Amazon Valley receives around 2000 mm of rainfall, while the northern eastern coast receives 1000 to 1200 mm rainfall. In this way, we complete the geographical explanation of Brazil.